everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now again it's time for maths lecture. So student, let's begin. In our last some lectures we are done with patterns in numbers. So today we are going to solve revision time of your book. So all of you open your book, page number 119. All of you take your time, open your book, page number 119. So in this lecture we are going to deal with revision time. Once again let me remind all of you that revision time will remain in book only, no need to note down in classwork copy. So let's see the question first. Question number 1 is, continue the pattern by drawing and coloring. We need to continue, we need to complete the pattern by drawing as well as coloring. So let's see question A. First is a blue triangle, then a red rectangle, then blue triangle, red rectangle, blue triangle, red rectangle. See student, as I ran out of the space, the next steps I am going to draw here. See students, this is blue rectangle given in your book, blue triangle, then red rectangle, blue triangle, red rectangle, blue triangle, red rectangle. Now what will come next? Observe the pattern and answer. Yes, a triangle will come next. And observe the color, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, and then this one will be blue. So a blue triangle will come next. Now after blue triangle, a rectangle, that is red in color. And then the next step will be once again blue triangle. So all of you draw these three, triangle, rectangle and triangle, then color them. Draw both the triangle by blue color and the rectangle by red color. Do it fast. Take your time and do it quickly. Draw the shapes with the help of scale or ruler. First of all, draw the shape with the help of scale and ruler and then color them. Take your time, do it with neatness and cleanliness. First of all, draw all the three shapes, then color them. Both the triangles will be blue triangles and the rectangle will be red rectangle. you are done. So let's move forward. Let's move to question B. So question B is, there are some circles. First, green circle, then yellow circle, then green circle, then yellow circle, then green circle. Now we need to draw the next 3 steps. See students, all the shapes are circles. So we are sure that the shapes will be circle, circle and circle. Now the colors are green, yellow, green, yellow, green. Now what will come next? After green, yellow. So this circle will be of yellow color. After yellow, very good, green, and after green, yellow. So all the shapes are circle shapes. So we have drawn 3 circles in the next 3 steps. Then we observe the pattern of color. First green, then yellow, green, yellow, green. Then after green, yellow will come. Then after yellow, green. After green, yellow. So this is how we will complete this pattern. So all of you complete question B also in the book only. Color all the circles properly. I hope students you are done now. So let's move towards the next question. Okay, so the next question is, circle the shape that comes next. There is a pattern given, then 2 shapes are given. We need to circle that shape which will come next, which is the next step. So let's see question number 2. Part A. Let me draw the question first. So this is the pattern. Both sided arrow, then one sided arrow. Both sided arrow, one sided arrow. Then double sided arrow once again. Now the options are these are the two options. Now we need to figure out which one is the next step. So let's observe the pattern. Double sided arrow, single sided arrow. Double sided arrow, single sided arrow. Double sided arrow. Now what will come next? Single sided arrow. Because after double sided arrow, single sided arrow is given. So we will circle this one. All of you do it now. Circle the single sided arrow, that is purple one. Circle the purple arrow. Do it fast. Okay, I hope students you are done with this one. So let's do the next question. Question B. Question B. There is a brown shape, then pink shape, then green color shape, then once again brown shape, pink shape, green shape, then brown shape. Now we need to figure out of these three, which will come next? This tilted one, green color, this vertical, pink color, or this horizontal brown color. See, first of all, let's observe the pattern. Let's observe the pattern by the book. There is brown color first, then pink color, green, brown, pink, green, brown. Then what will come next? After brown, pink. So the next one is pink, the vertical one. So we will circle this vertical one, which is pink in color. So circle this one. so I hope students you are done. So let's see the next question, question 3. Okay, so question 3 is continue the pattern by filling the missing numbers. We need to now continue the pattern by filling the missing numbers. First of all, we will observe the pattern. What is the gap between two numbers? Then we will complete the pattern. So let's see question 3, part A. The first number is 6. The second number is 12. Then the third one is blank. The next I'm drawing downside. The next number is 24. Then once again the last one is blank. Okay. So 6, after 6 the next number is 12, then there is a blank, then 24, then blank. So students, observe the pattern or understand. Let's recite the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. See student, don't you think it is a table of 6, or we can say that there is a difference between these two numbers is 6. So this must be table of 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Then 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Or you can just, if you don't want to do it by table, then you can just add 6. You can add 6 in this, then if you add 6 in this, you will get 24, then you should add 6 in this and you will get 30. So, as we all of us know that the table is repeated addition, multiplication is repeated addition, and the multiplication is table. So, either you can solve it by the table or you can add 6 in this. I hope students you are done with this one. Now let's see the next one. Okay, so the next one, question B. The first number is 10. And the next one is blank. Then the next number is 30. Then the next balloon is blank. Then the next number is 50. Then the last balloon is blank. See student, 10 blank, then 30, then blank, then 50, then blank. Isn't it looking like table of 10 or we are adding 10? So yes, this is table of 10 or we are adding 10. So 10, 20, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50 and 10 six are 60. So this is the solution of B. Question B. So all of you note down this. So students, this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture and we will solve the next worksheet. So this is all for today. Bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing, and all the best for your exams.